Yeah, very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss about how you can utilize CXAS SCRAPI and evaluate our agent. So in this previous lab, we are discussing about how you can use CX agent Scrapy CLI and create an agent using Gemini CLI and your prompt technique. So in this particular video, we created our agent. So how we can evaluate our agent and is there any feedback? So how we can um, y- what is the first of all evaluate our agent? First of all, what is the evaluation? Evaluation is in basic term we can say in traditional programming we write a one code, we wrote a one code and we write a test cases. Similar way, we need to develop entire using prompt technique and anti-gravity CLI and with the help of Scrapy. But how we can validate our work is correct or not? So what are the test cases for this particular scenario? So these are nothing but evals. So yeah, we are in this lab we are discussing about evals. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I think if you didn't watch our previous video where we introduce what is a CX Agent Studio Scrapy, uh, what is a CX Agent Studio, with the help of anti-gravity CLI, we can create our agent, and we created one agent. We created one root agent and integrate, develop two tools and improve the tool using prompting or context engineering or whatever you call. So yeah, and test it and just go to preview agent and test our agent. So this two tasks we need to do in previous lab, but in this particular lab we will deep dive into how we can eval. So if we there are four tasks we need to do. First of all, we need to create a agent, test and validate in preview agent. So now we need to improve and eval our agent, and we need to create our guardrail and local stimulation we need to create. So these four tasks we need to do. We may face this is overwhelming, so you can check our previous lecture also. So yeah, so without wasting time, first while I will deep dive into this thing, and after I can close put aside. So yeah, put aside this window and we will focus on our lab only. So first of all, we need to install Scrapy. I think you know in previous video we do same similar thing, but in this particular video we created one agent using CX Edge create. But here now using this is a cloud bucket where we try copy means this agent available in this Google bucket. So copy means we we need to copy this copy in our cloud shell. After this we want to write configuration and push our agent. So yeah, we try to import via bucket, we can say as simple as that. Second one, we need to install anti-gravity CLI. So this is nothing but CX Agent Studio VS Code extension. So yeah, means CX Agent Studio IDE extension. Yeah, VS Code extension. So yeah, in this way we try to import and we try to test via Cloud Shell only. Okay. After in third task, we need to create one directory and write a golden test cases. And yeah, this is a prompt to create a golden test cases as per our business need. After we do linting and yeah, push our agent. Okay. Next thing is we need to write a test cases also from particular tools. So yeah, this is a good one. Task number five, we need to write a guardrail. So it will create a guardrail, and after we try to run local, uh, we in local we try to run test our evals. This is a nothing but stimulation eval. I think we try to do more on things. We try to create HTML report if we time permits. So yeah, in this particular lab, we will deep dive into these topics. I hope you get more clear understanding. If you didn't watch our previous CX Agent Studio playlist, I will put everything awesome CX Agent Studio GitHub repository, YouTube playlist, everything in this, so you can find this thing and create a more better, um, learn about more in CX Agent Studio. So okay, so let me start this thing. First of all, we need to open our Cloud Shell. So first task is we need to install SCRAPI library using this command. Let me install this. Okay, authorize myself. Be patient. Yeah. Um, Otherwise, if we in previous video we miss one spelling mistake, so make sure you should copy correct command. Otherwise, you may face difficulty. In previous video, we are facing this type of difficulty, so that's why. Okay. So first of all, we need to install, create a virtual environment, and install Scrapy library. As simple as that. Okay, this command is not needed as of now, but will let me run it. So you can see Scrapy is already available and okay, perfect. Okay, that's good. Okay. So now average throughput, great. Yeah. So now we need to create Gemini Enterprise for customer experience configurations. So yeah, this is nothing but configuration file. Let me put enter. Why? Okay. Let me Control C, Control D. ડબ્બી માં એ છે. So basically, let me go back and yeah. So this is nothing. Now let me try again. Why it's take too much time? EOF. Okay, no problem. If I push, this more won't work. Okay, maybe what I can do, just whatever JSON I have, I will manually create this file and put. I think it's already created, so that's why cat command is okay, not created. Okay, so inside this, okay, I need to go CD. Okay, inside this, I need to create one file, GSA configuration, and paste this JSON, available JSON in this. Perfect. Now I need to write a push command and let's see. Is this a working perfectly fine or not? Let me close. Control C, Control D. Okay, not working. Let me open. Perfect. Now let me pull this thing. Okay. Why? Because we didn't activated this virtual environment. Let me go again this repository active virtual environment and why? Okay, sorry. Perfect. Now let me push. Yeah, let me open CX Agent Studio console. So, is there any error we face? We try to debug it. Okay, wow. Pushing to existing app, waiting to import. Okay, great. Okay, maybe our task one is completed. Let me focus on task two. Okay, internal server error. So what you can do, you can rerun this command and let's check it. 500 internal server error. Overwriting if supported. So let me click on refresh and check. Okay, great. It's successfully created. And in our taskbar, it's so completed. But here I don't know why this is happen. Okay, now it's successfully pushed. So now I need to install anti-gravity CLI. So let me install anti-gravity CLI. Also install VS Code. Okay, great. Wow, it's amazing. Also install this SCRAPI VS Code extension. Okay, it's successfully installed. Now I need to go to an CXL agent initialize. Okay, great. Now let's go here. Now this is nothing but Gemini Code Assist data agent kit. I need to go here, import from this one. Okay, this is my okay, great one. This is my CX Agent Studio SCRAPI VS Code IDE extension. Install perfect is now I can see here. That's great. That's amazing. Great. Perfect. Now let's test this agent and try to complete our second task also. Yeah, here our we can see. Okay, so whatever we develop here we can see this is a agent, this is a greeter. These are some tool available. Okay, so here we need to go live chat. Oh, this is a nothing but open live chat. Yeah, here we need to test. No need to test in preview agent. Just to say hi. This is a session. Wow, it's answering. Okay, perfect. Let me fourth task. Okay, we can see the step is also here. This is a cool tool called take coffee order. Yeah, this is a successfully call. Then why it say it won't able to call? Could not find tool call take order. Is this we need to enable logging or not? Could not find the user message tool code. Please follow the provide. Okay. So what I need to do, let me open, go to advanced setting. Yeah, logging is also enabled. Okay, okay, I think it's completed now. Perfect. So now I hope this is a means whatever we develop in previous lab is this is a previous lab. We created one agent and create a one two tools. So now we need to create a evals. So let me go here and try to create a two evals. mkdir I try to create a eval folder. Inside eval folder, I want to write golden evals. So okay, now AGY means anti-gravity. Okay, I need to go to second option, and here what I do mistake, just click in this particular command instead of copy and paste it in new tab. Eventually it will come. So yeah, now copy to clipboard and paste this command. Good. Now I need to copy project ID. Go to your Cloud Skill Boost lamp and copy paste project ID. Make sure is this correct. And in this time I need to select US. So US, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I agree the terms and condition. Perfect. Now we are good to go. Now, okay, in anti-gravity CLI. Okay, in okay, let me it what it tell. If you type CSAX here, you can find couple of skills. So yeah, that's the thing. Now, what I want to do, I want to write evals. So whatever prompt I need to provide, create a golden evaluation test cases. Okay, we are facing some issue. No need to worry. Just try to change model. I need some high thinking, so flies one is a perfect one. Perfect. Let's see. You might accept and say yes to request access. Yeah. So, huh. So how to create a eval? So first will you try to run this, read these skills, crafting a golden evals. Okay, so basically means it will create a eval. We need to run eval. No, left side. We need to just create a eval, and that's it only. Under the eval and golden right YAML file selected, run, push and run this eval. Okay. So meanwhile, uh, this anti-gravity CLI, here you can see it will try to read each and everything, and it may create some file. Oh, no, it definitely created some file. So here we can see the evolution folder. This folder is created by us. Yeah, in golden one we didn't have anything yet, but after we receive something, this is the option for run only well. Okay, run only when and report. That's a great. But if you want to do more thing, here we can receive. You need to enter this icon CXAS. Okay, push and this is push and run golden evil. This thing we need to do. Okay, meanwhile, okay, we didn't receive YAML file yet. Yeah, so this is a here you can see it will write coffee order YAML file. So accept this thing. Oh, great. Waiting for 4 seconds, waiting for task completion. After thought for 1 second, 30 token addressing the linter warning. Now let me check. Yeah, this is a YAML file it created. Okay, so I need to click on push and run this eval. Hmm. Pushing this eval, and we can see eval in this particular section. So here, usually if you are QA tester, oh great, this is the eval we receive. Let me my check my team status. Please run test evaluation. Hmm. This thing we need to push and run this eval. Okay, so yeah, running here push completed, running evaluation. So let me click on refresh. Okay, my third task is also completed. That's amazing. Okay, so here you can see final result pass, eval fail. Okay, perfect. Let me keep as it is. We were as of now we try to learn how we can do it. We need to deep dive into business concern why this is a fail and try to fix it. Okay, meanwhile it will running. Okay, here this eval will be failed. Why this is a fail? Okay, here you can see this is a fail because first two condition is reach, third condition is didn't reach. But you can see the tool correctness is 100%, no hallucination. So yeah, this similarity score. But yeah, but if we run again, we might clear. But as of now, we are our third task is completed. So maybe we didn't focus on this much on as of now. But yeah, okay, perfect. Now, what is our next task? Next task is this one: create a unit test. Meanwhile, what I can do, uh, I will run this test in 5 times in a text. Yeah. So okay, yeah, here it will run 5 times, and that's it. In one time we receive only pass and fail status, but if we in if we run 5 times, we may face mixed response also. So, but yeah, okay, let me go to this thing and allow. So in this here we need to write unit test cases for Python tools. As simple as that. Okay, great. Now let me what I can do. Okay, means I will whatever command I need to instead of exiting this command, I will use this SCRAPI anti-gravity CLI to test and this thing. So maybe I didn't go to exit and it will run. because means after this checking a linting, checking a test of, yeah, here we receive detailed report, linting pass. In second one, we need to check is this tool, we need to run this command and check ki this test case is pass or not. So yeah, if not pass, we can fix it now also. So that's why we can. Okay, pass one. 3 out of 3 is pass. That's amazing. That's great. But here this is not a best practice. Why? Because let's say, means if I want to run this particular test and whatever output I receive, it going to this LLM context. So it will reduce the call LLM context. So means whenever you need, you can utilize, try to fix it. But yeah, this is uh, one thing I means here it will, if I run this particular command, it will consume my token. So if you don't want to consume your AI token, so you can run in normal without anti-gravity CLI. Okay, so next thing is we need to create a guardrail for this particular agent. So create a guardrail rule for natural language to is there any abuse message? For example, yeah, um, password. Perfect. So whatever in task number 4, we need to create a guardrail. So create a guardrail for a local and local stimulation while the conversation tense. Perfect. I think we are good to go. And we need to create evaluation report. So after this, we will provide prompt to create evaluation report, and we can see everything in CX Agent Studio also. Okay, here you can see. Earlier I told you I didn't do anything, just run 5 times and it will be clear. So yeah, this is just one test case. It means out of 3 is 2 is clear. So yeah, maybe we are good as of now. Means I hope you try to convince. This is a one just mistake. Means out of 3, it didn't match, but otherwise we receive very good similarity score. Perfect. Okay, let me accept this thing. If you want to, this is the one, the golden one. Let me go deep dive into this golden one. So in golden one, okay. So what is the entire conversation? Tool must be called this. Okay, here we can't see. This is a just UI problem. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, so here we can see. Yeah, I need to. If we face this type of, you can decrease and increase the size, and yeah. So that thing you can do as of your convenience. So this is a response by received by agent. Okay, this tool must be called. It will be called 100% pass. So yeah, that's a good thing. Stay. Okay, great, Pau. Perfect. Here, we need to allow guardrail and stim. Okay. Okay, so basically here you can see it, whatever error we have, it parts. Now we want to create event reports. So create a one folder eval reports and generate a eval reports. Perfect. Let's go to this is a stimulation evals. So how we can find this stimulation eval in this particular? Okay, let's deep dive into whatever people simple, very simple thing. So when you this is a conversation history. So whenever, yeah, and here there are couple of options. So here if you run eval, you can find the entire history here. If you run deploy your agent in production, you can see there are deploy channel. Agent is a tool. If you use CX Agent Studio as a API or this agent is a tool, you can see this is agent is a tool. And this is a build environment. So this is a build environment. So yeah, in this way you can categorize this thing. So in eval, let me click on evals. Whatever we run 5 times, you can see the history here only. So yeah. And in similar way, stimulation eval, whatever you can find this thing in here only. Here you can see means here we run only 6 times, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so many time is there because these eval are run in and yeah, I think I didn't means okay session ID you can so this is a eval run by using session ID we can find out. Okay, let me allow this thing and after I can show you more in more better way. Check the stimulation run status. So every 10 second it will check my stimulation eval is not. So maybe go to here. Yeah, how we can find? Yeah, this is a evolution is given by me only means this is a evolution evals. So it's running by 6 times. So this is this one. And if you check the session ID of this one, it's similar. Okay, here you can see the initiate by this one, golden one. But yeah, let me build got. Let me click on refresh and we can um, check now stimulation eval. Okay, great. Here we can found entire in detail report log file you can find in this particular path. But okay, hmm, mm, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Okay. Okay, now both have a same name, no problem then. Okay, session ID is evil. Listen. Okay, in this folder we can find evil reports. So yeah, these are the stimulation evils, and these are tool test. Or what we can do, we directly mm, here we can see report YAML file. Yeah, yeah, push evaluation. Yeah, view eval report. So in this way we can see the in detail HTML report. Uh, yeah, here you can see why this particular eval is fail and what is the conversation ID between two things. Oh wow, this is amazing. Perfect. I hope you got more better idea. Means this is a good, very good. Evals, hmm, evals, view eval report only. Okay, now this golden one. Okay, this is a combined eval report. Now it's passed. Um, Let me go to stimulation eval. Hmm, Okay, so here you can see eval reports. Inside eval, this is a HTML report. Uh, Whatever we see, entire eval report. This is the entire eval report. Okay, now where I need to go to stimulation eval. Okay, but let me HTML report stimulation 5. This I think perfect stimulation eval we created, but this is a stimulation. Okay, this is a stimulation event result only. CX Agent Studio. Yeah, this is a stimulation result on stimulation eval only. Okay, and we created one eval and we got a result. Perfect. We are good to go now. So let me check the process. Okay, perfect. I think we successfully 100% clear, but you hope you got idea about how we can do this thing. And what I can means there are very less email, right? Okay. Meanwhile, what I okay, so means run all evals and create HTML report. Run all evals, all evals and create HTML reports. Okay, so from my side, I will experiment with this thing. So this is a good one. We Yeah, stimulation eval is now whatever I write, run all evals and create a HTML report. So it will run all the eval. Here we can say tool test is there, golden is there, stimulation is there. So yeah, in this way we can deep dive. Now let me go to the here and where we can see the history of stimulation eval. So here only this thing I want to show, but anyway. Now okay, we try to test via this thing only now. Okay, let me select all four. Okay, this thing we receive via deploy channel. Perfect, we are good to go. And if I want to check session ID, this is a session ID. This is the test by Cloud Cell. So yeah, okay, perfect. I hope we are good to go. Now let me go here and try to UX run eval report. Perfect. Run all evals. Why it's not okay? Let me go to evolution. Where I need to go here. Perfect. Here you can see tool. This is a tool. Tool result. Whatever tool we have, yeah, I think we are good now. Means this thing we want to know. Uh, Tool test. Perfect. Let me meanwhile others thing. Yeah, push and run tool test. So we can see the tool test. Whatever result we receive, we can see everything in here also. So I think, yeah, I think we are good now. Whatever HTML report we need, we already receive it. But yeah, we try to play with more about eval. And if you don't know about, okay, let me do some promotion also. So if you are here, maybe you know about our. Okay, let me come up with the proper screen and okay. So maybe okay. This is a um, okay, so this is our entire playlist where you want to learn Google about Google CX Agent Studio. You can easily learn it. Means whatever other Cloud Scale Boost Lab, Hermes Agent plus create CX Agent Studio SCRAPI. So here you can see 2 months ago we uploaded this thing. Similar way, how we can run stimulation eval. So this is video is also available 1 month ago. So Yeah, means whenever Google release this thing, we try to play with and create a good solution. If you want to see some reel regarding CX Agent Studio, you can find everything in here. So yeah, feel free to. I will bookmark this CX Agent Studio playlist, and you will deep dive into this CX Agent Studio playlist and try to learn and hill climb a version. And last thing here, you can see my all the 100% lab is successfully passed. So yeah, thank you so much. If you have any doubt regarding CX Agent Studio, feel free to reach out, join our Reddit group, explore our GitHub repository, and each and every about CX Agent Studio you will find in our YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you so much. We will meet you in next lecture. If you have any concern, feel free to drop a comment. We will try to catch up you. Thank you.